everybody. So welcome back to another Project Life Friday where I scrapbook one Project Life layout from my past Project Life albums. This is Project Life 2019. I've kind of just worked my way through chronologically. I may jump into a summer layout next week. I don't know. I'm so close to finishing up May that's why I was sticking with May. But I may jump around. Who knows? So for this week, I am going to put together the opening of May, a simple pocket page. I made 2 digital cards. I have one here and then this one's off to the side. So I just made those digitally and then I have a few pieces in the pocket. So I'm going to do that one. And then I have the week in the life spread. I'm probably not going to do any journaling just because in the actual project, of course, there's a lot of journaling, so it's not really necessary in here, but I wanted to include a few of my favorite photos. And also in 2018, I did all black and white and neutrals for my Project Life spread. And I'm going to go ahead and continue that. So I pulled out a chipboard that is neutral and then a few pieces from the life kit that are neutral that I could use. But I also have a stamp set, and you know I love making my own patterns with my stamps. So that is what I'm going to work on for this week's Project Life Fridays, and I hope you guys are continuing to like this series and enjoy it, and maybe it's even inspiring you. I know it definitely keeps me motivated to have one of my projects for the week be this Project Life catch-up. All right, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to switch over to voiceover. Okay, here I go. I am so excited to make these pages this week, mainly the week in the life one because of the neutrals. I'll explain that later. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep my digital cards, and I'm going to take this 3x4 May Memories. I'm just going to cut it because I don't want all of the yellow card, and I'm going to save the yellow scraps in case I can use them later. I also found a 5 in my stash, so I'm going to put above that Love This chipboard. And I did wind up stamping some sentiments, but decided not to use them. And I'm just going to stick with the chipboard that I have and also some pink phrase stickers that I found and a few black word on white stickers that I found. So just phrase stickers that I found. I'm going to stick with those, and then I am going to be able to move on to the week in the life project. So just a phrase sticker right there, the pink on pink journaling card. I liked that. And then I put a few or another one down in the 4x6. And then that's it. So just a stacking of phrase stickers and chipboard. Okay, so for this project, I'm kind of excited because sometimes when you work with color a lot in scrapbooking, it can be overwhelming, right? Well, when you do something neutral like this, it just, I don't know, it's so fun to do something neutral because you can't go wrong. And that's how I feel here. It's nice to do blacks and grays, and you know it's going to turn out great because it's neutral, and you don't have to worry about coordinating everything. At least that's my take. So for this card, in that week in the life stamp set, it was a checklist of Monday through Sunday. So I am just repeating that over and over again. And then on a different piece of paper, I'm stamping week in the life. And then I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut that out. And I'm going to turn it into some chipboard. I keep a whole stash of different types of chipboard that I have found. So different thickness, I guess you could say. I even use the back of cereal boxes. But this one in particular is a little bit thicker. So I adhered it to the chipboard, and now I'm fussy cutting it out. And then I will put it on the stamped card that I had. I'm also going to add a phrase sticker. Thought about adding some more chipboard to it, but I'm going to stick with the gray phrase sticker that matches the 3x4 card. And then I will add a white asterisk. And after using the asterisks on this project, I want like 10 more sheets of them. Maybe in all colors would be good. Gonna make another stamped chipboard phrase that says "So love" with the picture down at the bottom right of my husband and I cooking. I just love all the pictures I capture in Week in the Life. Probably why it's my second favorite project of the year, with Ali Edwards' December Daily being the first and the Week in the Life being the second. So For this next little phrase that I'm stamping, I stamped today's story, and then I am going to put that up with the family photo that I got of us and my in-laws. We love eating at this table, and there's so many stories at this table, but I always forget to take a photo. But I did not forget for this year, Week in the Life, so I am absolutely thrilled with this photo, and it's so special. I'm going to add another phrase sticker underneath it, and then I'm also going to add a small little asterisk by the homegrown strawberries. My mother-in-law grows strawberries, and then I'm going to put a phrase sticker that says simple. I also put a phrase sticker and asterisk down at the family selfie, but somehow that didn't make it on camera. I think I had the picture off camera, so sorry about that. I'm going to move on to the 3x3 pocket page, and for this one I'm going to stamp some more patterns. This card, I was trying to do the stamp tilted, but it's not so straight. That's okay, it doesn't matter, it's still a fun pattern. The stamp says these stories matter. I think it was from October. And then I'm just going to clean off my mat so that way it doesn't get ink everywhere. This card was a really fun card to make. I wanted smaller words with like a script font. So I found two phrases, hello routine and loving these moments. And I stamped hello routine once and then loving these moments twice. And I really love how that card came out. It was so fun. Like I said, working with neutrals sometimes feels like a necessary thing when you're scrapbooking because it's just, you can't go wrong making a neutral project. So I'm finishing up this card, and then I'm gonna stamp some more phrases for to make some more chipboard. I did find a white chipboard that says for the record, so I'm super excited about using that one. And then I'm gonna fussy cut out currently, and then I will make that into a chipboard like I said. Okay, so I'm just putting it on the chipboard, gonna fussy cut it out, and then I'm gonna finish building that 3x3 card with the homemade chipboard, the chipboard I found, an asterisk, and then I am going to pick out a phrase sticker from the gray sheet of stickers. I just love that currently font that Allie Edwards uses. I think it's actually a free download font. I think it's called Morgan or something. If I can find it, I will link it. I think I've downloaded it, but I just love that font, and I love that she's used it on a few different stamps, so I can pull them all out together. So for this card, I'm going to do that chipboard. The days look like this, and then I'm going to add May. I don't need the May memories. I don't want to repeat memories because I already did that on the opening page. So I'm just going to cut the May, and then I will put the May on some chipboard, and then I will add an asterisk to build up that card as well. So there we go, the May, and then the day looks like this, and then I'll add a asterisk and a word phrase sticker. And then I'm going to add a few more word phrase stickers and a few more asterisks. It's hard for me to not want to add a phrase sticker to describe every single picture. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I need to remind myself that sometimes the photos speak for themselves and not every photo needs an embellishment. I am going to put an asterisk and a little phrase sticker with the photo of my mother-in-law and my kids. It's just the best. And then I'm going to move it down just because I brought the pages together and I wanted to see where things would sit best as far as visually where your eye would travel. Still trying to go for that visual triangle. To the cookie photo, I added balance, of course, and an asterisk. I just love that. Decided to add one last chipboard phrase to my daughter's report that she did, and it was so darn fun. And then the report was so darn fun. It was an alligator lizard report. So I'm going to add that, and then I will be done with these pages. And they were so much fun to put together. I had so much fun again. Okay, you guys, I finished up another Project Life Friday, and this is the final spread. I absolutely love it. I had so much fun making this spread, making my own journaling cards, and just sticking with neutrals with the gray and the black. I hope you guys enjoyed another week of Project Life Fridays, and I hope this inspires you to catch up on your Project Life spreads and have fun with your stamps. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.